Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're turning up the heat with not one, but two tantalizing types of fried rice. We have a feast for everyone from carnivores to plant lovers. So stay tuned and remember, your support is the secret ingredient to our success. Be sure to subscribe, share, and smash that like button. So, are you ready for a culinary adventure? Without further ado, let's dive into the world of delicious fried rice. First up is the classic ordinary fried rice. To create this timeless dish, we'll need a variety of ingredients. Starting off, we have our base, which is a bowl of cooked rice. It's best to use day-old rice as it has the perfect texture for frying. Next up, we need a medley of diced vegetables for that crunch and color. You can use whatever you have on hand, but I usually go for peas, carrots, and bell peppers. Now for the protein, you can choose between chicken and shrimp, or even use both if you're feeling adventurous. Then we have eggs, which add a delightful creaminess to the dish. Lastly, we need some sauces to season our fried rice. Soy sauce, sesame oil, and a dash of white pepper usually does the trick. And there you have it. With these ingredients ready, we are set to start cooking. Now, it's time to cook some delicious ordinary fried rice. First things first, the pan. Grab your favorite frying pan and place it on the stove. Turn up the heat to medium-high. A hot pan is crucial to get that lovely sear on your ingredients and prevent them from sticking. Next, the protein. Traditionally, fried rice often incorporates diced chicken or shrimp, but feel free to use whatever protein you fancy. Once the pan is hot, add a drizzle of oil and your choice of protein. Stir it around until it's cooked through and has a nice golden brown finish. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, let's add some color and crunch with vegetables. Toss in finely chopped carrots, peas, and bell peppers. If you want a bit of a spicy kick, you can also add some diced chilies. Give everything a good stir and saute until the vegetables are just tender. Let's move on to the star of our show, the rice. Day-old rice works best, as it's a bit drier and less likely to clump together. Break up the rice with your spatula and mix it into the pan, ensuring it gets well combined with the protein and veggies. Now it's time to season and sauce. A splash of soy sauce is a must for that authentic fried rice flavor. A pinch of white pepper and a dash of sesame oil will elevate the dish even further. Stir everything together until the rice is evenly coated with the sauces and seasonings. Finally, make a well in the center of the pan. Crack in a couple of eggs and scramble them lightly. Once they're partially cooked, mix everything together one last time. The eggs should distribute evenly throughout the rice, giving it a rich, satisfying texture. And there you have it, a plate of mouth-watering ordinary fried rice. Enjoy this dish as a quick weeknight dinner or a tasty way to use up leftovers. Either way, you're in for a treat. Next, let's prepare the ingredients for our vegetarian fried rice. We're going to need a few things to make this dish really pop. First off, you'll need some cooked rice. Any type will do, but a long-grain variety like basmati or jasmine works particularly well for fried rice. Now, onto the vegetables. This is where you can really get creative. Think colorful and crunchy. Carrots, peas, bell peppers, and onions are all great options. A mix of colors will not only make your dish look beautiful, but it will also ensure a variety of nutrients. We also can't forget about the tofu. This will provide our source of protein and give the dish a lovely, hearty feel. Lastly, we'll need some sauces to bring all these flavors together. A bit of soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, and a sprinkle of black pepper should do the trick. With these ingredients at hand, we're ready to cook some vegetarian fried rice. Now, it's time to cook some scrumptious vegetarian fried rice. As we embark on this culinary adventure, let's start by heating our pan. You don't want it blazing hot, but rather a gentle heat to welcome our ingredients. The pan is the stage, and our ingredients are the performers. So let's get this show rolling. Next, we introduce our first star, the tofu. Dice it into bite-sized pieces and let it sizzle in the pan. Listen to that symphony of crackles and pops. That is the sound of flavors coming to life, my friends. Make sure to brown the tofu well, as it's the protein powerhouse of our dish. Once the tofu is golden and crispy, it's time for the vegetables to join the party. Bright carrots, vibrant bell peppers, crunchy peas, and a symphony of other veggies contribute a rainbow of colors and a medley of flavors. Stir-fry them for a couple of minutes until they are tender yet crisp, retaining their vibrant hues. Now let's bring in the heart of our dish, the rice. Cold cooked rice works best for fried rice as it gives a nice fluffy texture. Mix it thoroughly with the tofu and vegetables, making sure every grain is coated with the delightful flavors we've developed so far. Finally, it's time for the grand finale, the sauces and seasonings. A dash of soy sauce, a sprinkle of black pepper, a pinch of salt, and a hint of sugar. These elements elevate our dish from good to extraordinary. Make sure to stir well, so that every morsel of rice, every piece of tofu, and every vegetable gets a taste of this flavor fiesta. There we have it, a symphony of flavors and colors dancing in harmony, creating an irresistible plate of vegetarian fried rice. This dish is not just a feast for the eyes, but a treat for the taste buds as well. Voila! A plate of delicious vegetarian fried rice is ready. Enjoy this healthy, hearty, and delectable dish that's sure to make your mealtime exciting. Now comes the best part, the taste test. The moment we've all been working towards. Our 2 versions of fried rice are ready, and it's time to dive in. First, let's sample the ordinary fried rice. The grains are perfectly cooked, each one separate and full of flavor. The savory notes of the soy sauce blend harmoniously with the delicate sweetness of the peas and corn, while the eggs add a comforting richness. And that hint of garlic? It's like a secret whisper that ties everything together beautifully. Now, onto the vegetarian fried rice. The vibrancy of the vegetables truly shines here. They're tender crisp, adding a delightful crunch to every spoonful. The bell peppers lend a mild sweetness, perfectly balancing the savoriness of the soy sauce. And the tofu? It's a protein-packed surprise that adds a pleasant creaminess. Both dishes are a testament to the versatility of fried rice, each one delicious in its own unique way. Whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, there's a bowl of comforting, flavor-packed fried rice waiting for you. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. If you've enjoyed this cooking journey, please do subscribe to our channel, share our recipes with your friends and loved ones, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue creating these culinary adventures for you. Remember, good food is all the sweeter when shared with good friends. As we wrap up this delicious journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the gastronomic adventure we have embarked upon today. We started off by exploring the delightful realm of ordinary fried rice, a dish that has been a firm favorite in many households for generations. Its simplicity, combined with the versatility of ingredients, makes it a go-to dish for many. We then dived into the vibrant world of vegetarian fried rice. Filled with fresh produce and bold flavors, it's a testament to how one can enjoy a hearty, satisfying meal without any meat. It's not just about subtracting the meat, it's about adding an abundance of vegetables, spices, and flavors that make the dish sing. Throughout this culinary escapade, we have discovered that the beauty of fried rice lies in its adaptability. It's a dish that invites experimentation, whether it's swapping out chicken for tofu, adding a dash of your favorite sauce, or throwing in a handful of exotic vegetables. The possibilities are endless. It's all about creating a symphony of flavors that tickles your palate and brings a smile to your face. Remember, cooking is an art that's best enjoyed when shared. So don't be shy to invite friends and family into your kitchen. Whip up a batch of your version of fried rice and watch as their faces light up with delight. In the end, it's not just about the dish you create, but the memories you make while creating it. Each dish is a story, a memory, a token of love. And that, dear friends, is the true essence of cooking. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video. Your support means the world to us. It encourages us to bring more such culinary adventures to your screens. So, until we meet again in the next episode, stay curious, stay adventurous, and most importantly, happy cooking!